Welcome to the VSPT application. Today we are going to show you a walkthrough demo of how to use our app in an excavator. The operator has to type in his personal PIN. If you have used it before, you are going to have these options whether to continue your work or to change the machine and start a new route. Let's pick change the machine. Here we are going to select site, select machine type, and select machine number, then save. The machine operator should adjust the hour meter to match the excavator by click either on the plus or the minus icon, or just enter it in and press continue. Here we can have multiple options. Let's pick production digging. Select the loading location, let's pick area A. Select the loading material, let's pick clay. Now the operator can load as much as needed, and the app will store the data of the time by clicking on load. If the operator had to change the loading material, simply click on the material. In this scenario it's clay. Then pick different material, let's pick unsuitable. And then press load when loading. After finishing the current task, click on finish. Let's try another task. Pick trenching. Here we have the option to start trenching or load from the trench. Let's select the material. Let's pick unsuitable. Let's start trenching by clicking on start. We can load by clicking on the load button. After finishing the task, click on stop. Click on finish. Now let's try general digging. Here we have two options, either side casting or loading. Let's pick side casting and then start. After finishing it we can click on stop and then finish. Now let's return to general digging. And then loading. Click on start. Then we can load. After finishing, click on stop. When you start a new task, pick finish to enter new settings. End work will lead you to the logout window. The operator is able to check his location on the map with an overlay design. If the operator had to wait for a truck to arrive, he can click on Start Waiting down here on the right, or from the left side menu. Then select Waiting. When his turn comes, click on Stop. Also, you can stop the machine from here, if the operator needs to take a break. He can pick any of the following reasons. Here we can check the hour meter. Let's take every opportunity we can to make sure it still matches the excavator. Let's pick Smoko. To start the machine, just click here and then Start Machine. Also, we can pick Machine Breakdown if the machine had any problems. Here we can switch to Day Works mode. We can change back to standard mode from here and clicking on stop. From the left side menu, we can also switch to night mode. Check work history. And change the machine from here. We have machine hour reports. Due check forms. And the most important part is server sync. If the operator didn't have an internet connection, the app would be running normally and storing the data until the operator gets back online so it could be synced to the VSPT server. Thank you for watching.